Good morning, guys. What's going on? Today is a really exciting day because today we finally put the Rallybacker V2 kit on the BRZ. I still have to pull the BRZ in, it's still outside. I'm just letting the tires cool down because I noticed that whenever I don't let the tires cool down, the hot tire kind of just lifts the garage floor and leaves this ugly stain. I learned my lesson. I gotta let the tires cool down before I bring the car in. But I'm really excited for this. You guys know that I've had this in my possession for like almost 2 months now. I've been wanting to put it on for the longest, but something always came up and I couldn't do it. But today there is no excuses. Today we are gonna be putting that on the BRZ. Right now, the BRZ is stock body and it is not leaving this garage until it is wide body. Now I did tell you guys that we're gonna be molding this to the car. We're not gonna be molding it today. There's not enough time to mold it today, but we will get the wide body on and mounted. Now for those of you who may not know, this is my Rallybacker V2 kit and it is straight from Japan. I absolutely love looking at this. It's right from the motherland of all JDM cars and JDM parts. I waited a very long time for this moment, so I'm pretty excited. Before we pull the BRZ in, I wanna make more room in the garage, so let's pull the RX-8 out into the driveway, just so we have enough space to work with because we're gonna have sparks flying all over the place. So this kit didn't fit perfectly. Whoops. So this kit didn't originally fit perfect, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of bending and hopefully we don't break the kit. I told you guys that I am molding it, so we're not really gonna focus too much on the rivets today. I'm literally just gonna take a self-tapping screw and just, yep. I did cut into my rear bumper, or my old rear bumper, for the old Battle Arrow wing that I used to have. I don't have it anymore, so I'm getting a new bumper soon, so we won't be putting the wide body on the bumper part. There's 3 pieces to the Rallybacker kit. One's the side skirt piece, one's the quarter panel piece, and then one's the bumper piece. We're not gonna be putting the bumper piece on today. What do you think about it? This is your first time seeing the wide body on the car. Opinions, huh? It's thick. The car is thick. I mean, dude, my car is probably just as thick as your car now stock. That's insane. Jenny's are thick. We are gonna have a lot of cutting to do today. We're just gonna have to just yeet all this out. This is where the stock fender is. So like, look at how much gap there is. That is a lot of room. I'm really just about to drill into my car, but there goes nothing. Boom. The time has come, boys. Britt's gonna use his awesome photography skills, capture a dope ass picture with all the sparks, because just once I start cutting this, there's gonna be sparks all over the place. So I guess it's time to send it, boys.
You really cut so many. You did not have to cut this many.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Looking at it now, it might have been a little excessive. I can cut this off, right? Like I can cut it off from right here, and then I'm gonna have to weld this shut over here.
Here.
You want to cut them first,
Yeah.
and then you can hammer them up from underneath. Because you're gonna get rid of this, right?
Yeah. Dude, try not to scratch the car though. You got it?
I'm scared.
Send it, just send it, just go. Don't even think about it, just go. Come on, gotta turn it on. I'm actually kind of mad. Your side came out so much better than mine. And this is my 3rd time doing it. Why did hers come out so much better than mine?
That looks so good.
That does. The BRZ is officially wide-bodied. I'm looking at it and I'm just absolutely in love with this car now. It just flows so nice. Let me know what you guys think about the wide body. I want to know your opinions.